welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Talented teen Elodie Khubor clinches victory in Khuborjylla Season 2. CM Conrad K. Samla launches 207 e-vehicles for garbage collection in Meghalaya. Inyautrap Forum advocates for the return of Block 1 to Meghalaya. And Meghalaya football team under 18 celebrates victory with a score in Shillong. And now the news in detail. In a thrilling culmination of Khuborjylla Season 2 organized by the Don Bosco Media Network, 14-year-old Elodie Khubor emerged victorious, securing a prize of 1 lakh rupees. The event, held on January 31st, 2024 at the Don Bosco Youth Center in Shillong, witnessed the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla as the chief guest. The Vice Provincial Economer, Father James Thirnyang, Father Primus Aim, parents and relatives of participants were also in attendance. The grand finale, orchestrated by the Don Bosco Media Network under the guidance of the director, Father Michael Makri, showcased 10 top finalists. Gwyneth Mouthawk claimed the 3rd position, while Arlene Yaupnyao secured the 2nd place. The event coincided with the death anniversary of Don Bosco, commemorated by the attendees. Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla praised the Salesians, stating, "The Salesians infuse everything they do with great enthusiasm and meticulous attention to detail. Moreover, their commitment to inclusivity shines through as they consistently involve the youth in their endeavors." The event also featured the distribution of the Chilia Memorial Award to Brother Mebantelang Lingdo and the dbmnTv Youth Icon Award 2023 to Miss the Palay Warjari. Additionally, Chief Minister Samla awarded certificates to students who successfully completed computer courses.
Father Michael Makri, who is the director of the Don Bosco Youth Center. Father James, who is the economer of the Shillong province. All the other respected Reverend Fathers and Brothers who are here today. All the participants who are here, and all the other youth members who are present out here today in this wonderful program. I have a lot to say, but of course I don't want to take much time. But let me start off by saying that I am really very excited to be here today. And I was just listening to the talent that was here, and I have no words to express, but only to say that I think this is maybe one of the best performances I've seen in a very, very long time. And all of you will agree to it. The kind of talent that our youth have performed today and the confidence with which they have performed, it's just outstanding. And I can tell you, I've been to many parts of the world. I can tell you these are international performances that we just saw. So let's have another round of applause for all those who performed today and all those who participated also. So let's have another round of applause for everyone. I also would like to thank Father Michael for having organized this program, and it's a great encouragement for the youth, because I have always believed that we must engage our youth in a positive manner. And that's really the principle with which we work for the youth, and that is the same principle with which we see our Don Bosco Youth Center also working.
Where a lady goes, what a lady shows is how she proves. I announce to you the winner of the 1 lakh rupees and who will represent the state of Meghalaya to international level. And the winner is who? And the winner is Ellery Karkongor. Please come forward. She will receive the trophy from our CM. She will receive a trophy from the CM and also the check of 1 lakh rupees from Father James, the economer. Okay. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you for the
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma spearheaded the distribution of 207 electric vehicles, e-vehicles, on February 1st, aimed at garbage collection across villages encompassing East Khasi Hills, East and West Jantia Hills and East and West Khasi Hills. The inauguration ceremony saw the presence of Health Minister Dr. Amprin Lingdo, Snya Bhalang Dhar, Marcus and Marak, Damanbat Lamare MLA, officials from the PHE department and the Shillong Municipal Board. Sponsored by the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, these electric vehicles aim to create a garbage-free environment promoting public health. Garo Hills districts are set to witness a similar inauguration later. The Neutra Border Disputes Redressal Forum on the 1st of February aimed to meet with the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Snya Bhalang Dhar to discuss the return of Block 1 to Meghalaya. Unfortunately, due to an absence of a prior appointment, the meeting did not materialize. Chandame Sungo, the forum's chairman, emphasized their demand based on the decision made on October 14, 2023, opposing the 1951 notification by the Assam government. The forum leaders urged Meghalaya not to sign any MOU unless Assam agrees to return Block 1 to Meghalaya.
Kini rum kabrengkong ni hagan gejingelang kabaladon regising bhalang boper ke bakhampau jong jela jongi ko HYC Janti Hills District KSU Janti Hills District bad nangta kum JSU bad KWD te hagan gejingelang ladon ru kum Janti Dorbar bad kum ju ki dolo jong ki lai elaka jong elaka leng elaka cheleng mentang bad elaka nungjungi bad kum ju kirang bak snong nagichnong boper ke badon hapo Block 1 te kirai ke bangi sim kelom kini ndung benengkong ni persya jur ya ka notification ke baka sarkar Assam galpen mi haka khala April ka khandai spa san ke wei balai ni persya namar ba kani ke notification kelong ke balai don bor ke sarkar Assam klaim ka jing tip ke jing menjur lang jung ki pai nung chnong jungi ke badon sepo labang nang pelut ke bangi tip mentah kung ke Block 1 ke baar pade ni persya ya gajing bu jong ka sarkar ya ka khanduli bat share sektor balai ni persya ya gani namar ba nadu kepor bala penhap no ya ketiga jaka jungi haka kumbang omen ni nadu ka senam kat khandai spa sang pewar te haka por jong district council hashwab in yo el gejong gejela ka don be hi tangka mat jing ekran ban retransfer biang ya ka Block 1 chupo jong ka United Khasi Janti Hills autonomous district council kamdon kata ka khanduli berkata ka besar sektor bat haki feus nem bela debru kamdon kata ka khanduli bat besar sektor hindrai ka basngeu lengo ka longba hagan ni ka sarkar pemerintah ka bu ya gani ka khanduli bat besar sektor nomor babelai ka jingbu ya gani ka khanduli bat besar sektor kumbang yo jing tv baga jing pujung sarkar ka long ban ya kren shwa ban inspect shwa ya ka khanduli bat besar hade nang ta ka sakta apa ka Block 1 te haka jing ngeu jungi langi kta shwa ka khanduli bat besar kalong ka bae par balai kta ka Block 1 bat ka pensuk ru sarkar ada kale lang ya borok ke Block 1 namar ba lada ke Block 1 ka wan sport Meghalaya kini khanduli ba besar sektor kilawan lupa hi sport ke laju te kebalai ni yeng scam na ka benta ban retransfer biang ya ke Block 1 sport Meghalaya namar ni tip ba ke Block 1 hi gede ga jela jongi nadu hendai thai kulong kuma kumangi ong menne ba le super hab ju bor ka senam ka khandai spa san pewar te ni Hakani ke jingelang berkat bar kipa nung senong jang blok wan borok away ni da wai ke government ba ada kumno ka debek ben pai ani ban transfer ya ke blok wan cepo ke jelang gele ya bat ka karai ke bakat du ke bangisim kalong ba lada ka sarkar Assam kam menjur ban transfer biang ya ke blok wan ti chief minister umdai ban soy kinu ki agreement lana yaga MOU haga jingi dai bat ka kam pen put ya ke blok 1 tang kini hikira ke bongsan
Keempat dor gajing jurip.
kapan dor gajing jurep kada
Kajing yalang jongki kalau ada dan stay jongki.
nadu banglesim yang gajing lang kapan dor marwan ke por ngaru ngala lekni sepo di office bat kitu ki members jong regional committee ki bagi ko member ke banang te kitu roman ke por telepon kapan don kata gajing jingilang kadon tang ke tu ko por ke bagi lek sekanduli
Swag ini jongki.
Haswa je ni. Kata 16 August 2023. Tang kata.
Mana ni vocation juga harus entah 4 juta kata dah. Yalang
4 don.
regional committee yang teh.
4 don. Teka last ke bangsa terima kelong 16 August 2023. Tang kata hai. Keba anda geledep penlong jing yalang teh bo DC office tegi late inspect stage bo kanduli. Tegi jing dai begitu jing jia kanduli kai. Teka ta ka wakil lagi ru kam dei hina ka benta ka Khubor dari Shillong na kabanta ka tu gajing ikan athang tu kai.
Terkait waktu nanti waktu.
Kawai kadang
Ni bang, ni rak persang ban yo appointment batu CM. Batu deputy CM bodai chairman in charge hak beri bagi blok 1. Sultanat iban ekran marmen bani sutu. Ende gajing kalau ka berjinjar hadu kata-kata bani kendu ini kita yalam kijongi. Bat bakakam kan selam ru kamlong. Takaro ka pelong iban daga jing bomban si ba ngin ai u jing tho nang ba lamrei daga ketin daga jing tho pa ngi la ban pusneu ya ka ek ba ngi daga jom ngi dan jing sneu ban pusneu so sarkar hak bari bat ka blok on blok tu ti khan dia iwe nga chwa mai phang pai ba tu jelam Meghalaya ra gidi ban su thu ba balai ka HPDRF ni wan ban ya ICT na ka por Singapore sa ka sarkar hak bari bat ka blok 1 blok 2 du kumju ka history ka bataya ni bagi pai ba gede bentip ka jisya nadu kolong koman nadu ki por phareng ka block 1 block 2 ki ha be po ka joy subdivision ki ha be po ajing Peit ju ki CM khasi ki jongi nadu menchua ka jing rawan ba hadin ba lawan ra ya sidu hap penkai kita ki district council tidak penkai kita ka Not Kachar Hills, District Council, but they United Khasi Jaintia. Dhatu kapor, don kencing lek don bor, jong kibriu. Sorkar, nak kalian juga Assam, por, nama katu por di Assam don. Jubor kila pengat baik, ya ka blok 1 blok 2 syaka, karbiang long. Lembah ka notification jong kat nai spa san huwei. Dia nak kalian kijong ki nong yalam kijongi na blok 1 blok 2 kamdei bagi subjar. Nakapor, siapor atho, sitho kita siti ban ong em, ka reti gerustur ka jongi kimdei kam dan jiga dei bagi karbi, ka ketin ka teli, kanyam gurukam ni reki kasi, kuat bi bandon siapo ka United Khasi Jaintia Autonomous District Council. Kita gejik pensnyau lapoi syaduk syaka sokar pedeng juga tu kuat. Kam dei tengah hal bat sokar Assam. Bat dei halor kan nongrin bakadon gejik persya ke sorkar Assam pada kala konstitut ya kawika komiti manle inspect manle ground demarcation how kat nespa san hunyo namar bakadon gajing ut ba gajing pengat ya ka blok 1 blok 2 siapa karbi ka di bakala ni kani kamdi ka kam go menta bat nakalian gajongi ya ka sorkar ni persyang ban pen sisa lembak ikot islah imam kijing syabaro ban bu tangi we i jing dawa ibarat ba ibasyong nongrem ba katai kadai ba ngin penbaik ya kajing bakala ka bang ka sorkar Assam kala ale na do khat nice ba san huwei ngin penbaik ya kata ban penbaik ya kata pada ngidon kambai ban wanra no ya ka blok 1 blok 2 sepo Meghalaya kumbakalongi kumbang ila yang nakala kajongi ba hak beri ba blok 1 blok 2.
On February 1st, the Sports and Youth Affairs Department orchestrated a vibrant stroll in Shillong, showcasing the victorious Meghalaya football team under 18. having secured a triumphant 2-0 victory against Punjab at the Khelo India Youth Games 2023 in Chennai, the jubilant boys, adorned with colorful decorations, paraded through various landmarks in Shillong. The route included Banalari World Cars, Maulai Petrol Pump, Jayao Maubanna, Police Bazaar, and concluded in Polo. Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Isawanda Lalu, along with MFA President Hamlet Sandoling, honored the boys in Polo, where Minister Shakliar Warjri announced scholarships for their remarkable achievement, bringing pride to the state.
The winning team, the champions who have come home to this beautiful day and who is the pride of our state right now. All the players of the under-19 football men's who have won the Khelo India Youth Games gold medal in football, along with your coach, your managers and the entire team. We welcome you to this program. We also welcome your parents, your family members and our friends from the press who are here with us. It is indeed such a happy occasion for each and every one of us to welcome you on this day. You must all be sleepy. Hapo Guwahati Khubor Bapilan Rungi la persang na kaliang jong ka department ban peni ya kata ka jinkmen ka jongi ha ka bagin yo ban priang burom ya pi naman minta ka sni pi de shisha ki klor jong ka ri hi blawan ra ka nam ka burom ka blawan ra ya ka ne ka trophy na ka benta ka state but ni long ni sarong hado kata kata na ka benta jong pi ngai khuble ya baro ki officers ki bla ya rab ru pan pediang smu bhai ki ni ki samla jongi nadu nang tena banalari ha ka ba pila yo ban shong ha jong ka te ka bas pila shat pila risa le si fi ka libale ni kwa ya phi ba pin shong kum to kalong ka e ngat harai ka ba phiro pin smu tanat hinre ha ka jo Khubor bangin la ban ai min sim bat ngin la ban ai nuksai ki wei pat ba ni long ni la ban pin i baling ba ka jing tresh tom jong phi ling ba ki ka preparation jong phi ki ni ki sngi ba ro phila la ban wan ra ya ka nam shaka state ka jong ni kam de ka bakai ka Khelo India Youth Games ha ka ba ki states ba ro ki le kai pat phila job ya ka ni ka kusnam tingis ngo ka de ke ka bagi don kam ban celebrate tina kata ka daw ni penlong ro ini program ibarit but ngingay ba hadian kani rup him padathat namarkan sadon sa artali ka program hadian kani ila request the honorable chief minister bangin yalam ya phi shaka chamber jong i ban yikandu i but ha ka jo Khubor ya honorable sports minister rukum jo i badang don halin ti menta nakata ka daw imla ban joining i ha kani Khubor ti sa sisien kumbala kren ki bhashwa jonga ngakwa tang ban ai khuble Sashisien ya phi baro kajing treshi tom jong phi kajing do yap ka jong phi but kam tam kata ka team spirit but ka perseverance jong phi kajing durut jong phi la wan ra e phi sha kane but boy sha kane ka thong. We were all closely following the games, I think, right from the very beginning. I was able to catch one or two matches or snippets of these matches, and we saw that it was no mean feat. Firstly, to be in a group which had, such strong contenders, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, UP, the big guns, right? The only state from the northeast, and yet you went undefeated in the group matches. Not a single draw, not a single loss. I think that is no mean feat. And then I think in the semi-finals, it was a little tricky, it was a little tense for all of us, but all the same, in that as well, you came out with flying colors. And in the finals yesterday, it was really a sight to behold. And for this, once again, we would like to congratulate you for your prowess on the field, for your determination, and for this prize which you have brought home.
Ryangdo Youth Affairs Sports Social Cultural Association and Dorbar Shnong announced a significant development for the youth. On February 2nd, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Minister Shaklar Warjri and MLA Methodius will lay the foundation stone for a synthetic artificial turf at Ryangdo Maushinrut Civil Subdivision ground, fulfilling the long-standing desire of the youth for their own football ground. The entire village is invited to witness this historic moment.
Kamtam yak inong sensarsnong jongga than barok away ki president ki secretary jongki sport club beper hapo jongga Maushinrut association bapinyawan haka artarik jong ubnai baar arajar pusau hakapor khatway baje step nagabanta kandon gajingbu maunong rim yaga mandarindo ka synthetic artificial turf but ka calorie. Dai Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Shri Shaklar Warjri, Honorable Minister in Charge Sport and Youth Affairs Jongga Sorkar Meghalaya Kumu Sumbut Kongsan Hagajing Yadan Rengkat I local MLA Jongi Shri Methodius Dekar I Shri Remington Kabil Momin I MLA Jongga Ramrai Constituency Kumjuru Akajing Yadan Lang I Srimati Isa Wanda Lalu IAS Ibade I Director of Sport and Youth Affairs Jongga Sorkar Meghalaya Shri Garot LNS Dait IAS I Deputy Commissioner Jongga West Khasi Hill Shri BMC Chief Engineer State Sport Council of Meghalaya.
Viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.